We need a special birthday gift. Something Mom will truly love.
This bracelet is beautiful. Mom loves blue flowers.
Then this is the perfect gift. Let's take it home safely. Peter, this is your important job. Keep Mom's gift safe.
I will, Dad. I won't lose it. I promise. The train is here! We should hurry. The gift is safe in my backpack. Everything is under control.
Hello, Wendy.
Hello, Clodagh.
We are on our way home.
Flowers, cake, decorations. Everything is ready. Mom is gonna love her surprise. I can't wait. We still have plenty of time. Everything is perfect.
This is our stop. Let's go.
We are almost home. Mom will be so surprised. This is going to be the best birthday ever. Mom will love it. Peter, can I see Mom's gift? I want one more look. Sure. Wait, where is the gift box? No! 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 No, it isn't here. Peter, what happened? I think I left it on the train.
Oh.
Mom's gift is gone. What are we gonna do now?
Take a deep breath. We can still fix this.
I promised to keep it safe. I can't believe I forgot it. Wait, the next stop is River Park Station. Oh, we might still catch the train.
You're right. We still have a chance.
Then let's go find it. Oh! I won't give up.
Stay together. Safety comes first.
Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. What matters is fixing them. I'll remember that. Thank you, Olivia. We made it! Now let's find that train. Look!
Excuse me. We left a gift box on this train. What does the box look like? Let me check for you.
It is a small white box. It has Mom's birthday gift inside.
A passenger found a white gift box. I think it belongs to you.
Really? You found it?
Here it is. Always check your seat before leaving.
We got it back. Thank goodness. Wait. Something isn't right. The charm isn't working. We found the gift. But now it's broken.
The bracelet looks fine. But the music charm stopped working.
First I lost the gift. Now I broke it too. Maybe it isn't badly broken. We shouldn't give up yet.
There is a jewelry repair shop nearby. They may be able to help.
Then we still have a chance. Let's go there now.
Let me take a look. I need to inspect it closely.
work again. Mom really deserves this gift. Stay positive. We have come this far already.
The problem is small. Something is stuck inside.
That's good news. Maybe we can still save the surprise.
Waiting is hard. I keep thinking about Mom. It is getting late. Mom may arrive home soon.
Finally, my work is finished. I can go home now. I hope the evening will be peaceful. It has been a long day. It will be nice to spend time with my family tonight.
Almost finished. Just a little more time.
Come on, little charm. Please work again.
There we go. It works perfectly again.
Mom could be home any minute.
We need to hurry.
We are almost there. Keep moving.
I am not letting go this time. Not even for 1 second. Look, we made it back. Oh, the decorations are still perfect.
Everything needs to be ready. Mom could arrive at any moment.
The room looks beautiful. Mom is gonna love this.
Home at last. What a long day. Everyone seems busy tonight. I wonder what they are doing.
I think Mom is here. I'm nervous. Mom!
Hello, everyone. I'm home. Happy birthday, Mom! Oh my goodness! This is beautiful!
This is for you, Mom. Happy birthday!
A bracelet. It's absolutely perfect. It even plays music. I love it so much.
Mom, I need to tell you something. The gift had a big adventure today. I left it on the train. Then the charm stopped working. Oh, Peter.
The bracelet is wonderful. But your honesty is even more special.
I learned to be careful. And to tell the truth.
My wish is simple. Let's stay kind, brave, and together.